All right, guys, welcome back. Another day, and you may remember this one. This was the timing chain that kind of exploded. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to see how fast I can do it. Now, you may notice I have cheated a little bit. I do have the rack underneath it and the valve covers off because I had to see what's going on there. So I have all the parts here. I'm going to see how fast it takes me to pull it out. So right now it's, okay, let's see, what is that? 4:37 in the PM, Pacific Standard Time. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, put you on warp speed and let's get down to business. Here we go. Chain out. I know it's timing, but I was on the phone a little over an hour. 5:50, 4:43 to 5:50. I'll call it an hour because I got just standing around talking to a family member. So got it out. See, it's all busted. This one's in two pieces. This was the new one. The chain's in half. Now what I'm doing, I'm draining the oil. I'm gonna drop the pan, and it's timed. Well, the crank's in the right place, and I hope everything, I'm just gonna dig all the crap out of the pan and put it back up. So that's what you'll see me doing next. Pan, actually surprised there's no debris. There's a little bit, it's like in there. Let's see the oil pickup here, my light's shining on. Can't really hold everything and do everything, but you always want to take this off because there's probably debris in here, and I just go like this, just pull it down. Ooh. Actually, get crap in there. Oh, did you see that fall? Look at that. That guy just popped out of there. Anything else? There's a little bit on top here, another. Pull that bad guy out right there. That's what I mean. You want to drop it, be thorough. Doesn't look like anything, and the chain looks okay. So I'm gonna put the cover back on, clean it up, put the pickup back on, and throw the new chain and guide and everything, tensioner back in, and hopefully the thing will run and not have a misfire. Because that's one thing I was extremely thorough in telling the customer, was that, hey, this is like the first step, right? The chain's in pieces. We got to do that. Maybe it tapped the valve and it's causing a misfire or run rough or something. But how are we going to know that without doing this first, right? So, I mean, you could do a leak down, but that's not at speed. You know, sometimes the leak down shows it's good, and then because of the RPM, you know, we're at speed now, things are different. So anyway, I'm gonna put you back on warp speed as I wrap this thing up. It's about 6:02 right now. So yeah, and I'm not really going like an animal today. It's actually the weekend and it's nighttime. It's 6:02 on a Sunday. And I shouldn't even be here. I don't want to be here, but because of the situation, I am. Not because of this situation. I just got some problem cars I gotta get taken care of, and that's it. So I appreciate you joining me on my journey today. We'll get you back to live action. I notice my little Firebird, and in the background you may see that up there, a 79 Trans Am. I'm working on restoring very slowly. I'm working on as you can see, it'll probably be there for a while. All right, we'll catch you guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Another day. I want to show you this one. This is what you call it I was working on last night. Timing chain. It's running really good right now. But my battery died last night, so I didn't have a chance to wrap up the video. Took it on a test drive, drove about 10 miles. Pulls hard, pulls good. No check engine light, so we're good to go. Gonna wrap this one up, get on the next one.